If you gave me a pile of cash and told me I had to put it all into one stock for the long haul, no, it's not some speculative moonshot. I'm actually going to be talking about one of the biggest, most powerful companies on the planet, Microsoft. Now, before you leave, I know this isn't a flashy pick, and most investors glance at a multi-trillion-dollar giant and think the explosive growth is ancient history. They see the headlines, they hear about the law of large numbers, and they move on, hunting for that next small cap that just might take off. But here's what they're missing. The market is completely misjudging the unstoppable force of Microsoft's core businesses, and, more importantly, the massive scale of the AI revolution it's spearheading. First things first, let's get one thing straight. Microsoft isn't just a software company anymore. It's basically a utility for modern business. Their latest quarterly earnings were staggering, hitting $81 billion in revenue, which is up 17% from the year before. To be growing at that clip, at this size, that's almost unheard of. The powerhouse behind this massive growth is their intelligent cloud division, which shot up by an incredible 29%. And the crown jewel within that division is Azure, posted a jaw-dropping 39% growth. This isn't a one-time fluke. For the first time ever, Microsoft's cloud revenue topped $50 billion in a single quarter. This is a high-margin, recurring revenue engine that has become the backbone for companies all over the world, offering the kind of stability that's incredibly rare. Okay, now for the part that takes this from a great company to a potential once-in-a-generation opportunity: artificial intelligence. A lot of people hear AI and they think it's just a buzzword. For Microsoft, it's a money-making machine they've cleverly woven into everything they do. It's not just one product, it's a whole ecosystem. Azure provides the raw computing power. Microsoft 365 and Windows gives them a distribution channel to hundreds of millions of users. And Copilot is the tool that's turning all of it into cash. As of their last report, the company had already hit 15 million paid seats for Microsoft 365 Copilot. And while that's just a small fraction of their total user base, it shows they're successfully converting users to paid subscriptions for what their own CEO thinks could be the fastest division to ever hit a $10 billion revenue run rate. This is where it gets really interesting. Despite these incredible numbers, the stock has taken a beating this year, with shares down over 20%. That has created a major disconnect between how the company is actually doing and what the stock price says. Right now, Microsoft is trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of about 20 to 22 times. For a business of this caliber, that's heading toward decade-low territory. While the market is fretting about short-term spending, it's completely ignoring the massive, locked-in demand. Microsoft is sitting on a commercial backlog that's contracted revenue they haven't even booked yet, of $625 billion. That gives them a level of predictability into future growth that almost no other company on Earth can claim. Wall Street analysts see this gap loud and clear. The consensus price target is significantly higher than where the stock is today, with many seeing an upside of 30%, and some models even suggesting it could be as high as 58% or more. This isn't just a good company. It is a world-dominant company trading at a price that doesn't seem to reflect its reality. Of course, no investment is a sure thing. So let's be real about the risk. The big worry on Wall Street is capital expenditures. Basically, the fortune Microsoft is spending to build out its AI data centers. CapEx hit $37.5 billion in a recent quarter, a massive number that makes some investors nervous about the near-term cash flow. There's also the fact that a big chunk of their future business is tied to their partnership with OpenAI. But here's the flip side. That aggressive spending is exactly what's building their competitive moat. They're creating a lead that will be incredibly difficult for anyone else to catch up to. In fact, customer demand for AI is still so high that it's outpacing Microsoft's supply, which is exactly why they're investing so heavily. For any investor who can tune out the short-term market noise, the picture is pretty clear. What we have here is a business that's firing on all cylinders, with its core cloud platform growing at a stunning rate. On top of that, you have a game-changing AI catalyst that is just starting to pour billions onto the balance sheet. And the kicker? It's all available at a valuation that feels more than just reasonable. It feels like a genuine opportunity. Finding that combination, a dominant, resilient business, and a world-changing catalyst, all at a discount, is exceptionally rare. And that's why if I had to pick just one stock to build long-term wealth with right now, it would be Microsoft. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and we'll catch you in the next one.